Why are cities in Finland special? What's different in Finnish urban environments from typical cityscapes? What does the term unliminal mean? In this video, you'll find out. Modern cities are becoming increasingly similar. Wherever we go, we encounter familiar elements, similar roads, cars, parking lots, and malls, all of which seem identical. These are repetitive, transitional spaces known as liminal spaces. These places also exist in Finnish cities. They are not destinations. The goal here is to merely pass through them. In such spaces, it's easy to feel lost or lonely. If you look around more precisely and visit inner spaces, small streets and public squares, if you immerse yourself in the city's opportunities like Helsinki's museums, Tampere's center, or if you visit Pori Jazz Festival, the cities can reveal their true colors, which are quite unique and break away from featurelessness. Residential buildings often reflect the past, with wooden elements. Every house is slightly different and unique. Organic elements and peculiar surfaces appear on them. In Finland, environmentally friendly transportation is significant. Train routes are accessible, clean, punctual, and tickets can be ordered online. The name of the railway company means green. Since the country's flat, cycling is widespread, and there are bike lanes along the roads. Finnish urban planning consciously takes aesthetics into consideration. Public murals and street art are common, adding character to the streets. It's easy to navigate through certain districts because they are recognizable. You can encounter strange-looking sculptures in public squares. In cities, you'll find elements that can be taken out of their context, allowing passerby to fill them with their own interpretations. Finnish design is minimalist, but often reflects the concept of recycling. Wooden objects and recycled materials are common. Mountains aren't typical of their country's geography, but there are smaller hills. These geographical features are reflected in the cityscapes of Tampere and Helsinki. Large green spaces and parks break up the monotony of the streets, filling the cities with life. While modern cities, lineal, transitional spaces feel like mazes, Finland is more like a labyrinth where discovering connections and distinctive corners and spaces offers a sense of accomplishment. As a northern country, Finland experiences limited light for much of the year. Light is therefore highly valued, and this is why large windows are characteristic of Finnish architecture. Finland is known as the land of 1,000 lakes. Water is a fundamental element of the country. Helsinki is located by the sea. The center of Pori is surrounded by water on all sides. Bridges and boats give the cities a unique character. For locals, water is a space for relaxation and an integral part of life. In any modern city's easy-to-implement, fast, template-like design is used, where efficiency, speed are the goal. This results in soulless spaces where everything reminds you of something else, and everything feels temporary and liminal, making people feel small and lonely. In contrast, Finland's cities offer distinct features that evoke feelings and make individuals feel at home. The concept of recycling, the use of natural materials, the creative approach to public spaces, and the unusual exhibitions in museums point to an environment that makes Finland's urban spaces sustainable for the long term. Here, space is not just liminal and transitional, but unliminal. A place to rest, to participate. You can interactively join the city's life and become part of its spaces.